Hello everyone, friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will witness the surprising abilities of Tesla's humanoid robot Optimus. Tesla's humanoid robot Optimus has also started doing housework. Elon Musk's humanoid robot, which he previously announced, throws away the garbage, sweeps the area, cooks and can do cleaning work like a maid. With the rapid development of artificial intelligence and robot technologies, scenes we are familiar with from science fiction movies will soon be a part of our lives, and we see how many companies have developed in this field with different projects. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you liked the video. Hope to see you in another review video. Goodbye.